We can start.
Okay. So Rahi, please switch on your camera. All right. Children, let me quickly tell you about the flow of the session. First of all, you'll get to know your mentor. Then you will see a short informative PPT, followed by a dashboard tour by Rajan sir, and that will be followed by a question answer round, wherein in case you have a doubt, you can ask it. Okay. And then the actual demo will begin. I hope the flow is clear. Is it? Okay. So let me tell you that we have with us Gunjan ma'am, and she's a wonderful mentor. She has subject matter expertise in maths. She loves interacting with kids like you. So all over to you, ma'am. Please introduce yourself to the kids.
Okay. Hello, students, can you hear me? Yes, okay. So good evening, everyone. As ma'am already told that my name is Gunjan Jain and I'm from Kota. From last 9 years, I have been in this teaching industry, and I have been working as a mentor, or you can say maths faculty, and I'm teaching around all kind of students, taking from your 4th or 5th standard to even engineering students. So as an experience, I have experience to teach all kind of students like you. And from many years, I have been working in this Olympiad preparation. What are the different types of questions they ask in your Olympiads? What is the difference between the normal subject and how they ask you in different Olympiad tests? So if I talk about these Olympiads also, this is nothing but only the difference between the two is your basics should be clear in both. If the question is clear, how to take the question, what is asked in the question, then every question is easy. There is nothing different in these Olympiads. So if your basics are clear, your concepts are clear, then it is very easy for you to clear any exam. Okay, and in this sessions, in these sessions, we will going to cover these only. We are going to cover the basics, as well as we will do some advanced questions that are asked in your Olympiad exams. I think this is clear to you. And one thing that I want from all that participation, whether it is from chat or if you are allowed to unmute, then it is better that you every time you participate whenever the question is asked to you. Okay. Since online system is different from your offline, so if you are doing participation, then it is easy for me to judge that you are getting, you are understanding or not. Okay. I think Monica ma'am, you can continue.
Thank you so much, Gunjan ma'am. So children, allow me to share my screen. All right, I hope it is visible. Okay. So a very warm welcome to each one of you to the demo and interaction program for class 5 mathematics batch 3. So as you might already be aware that Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. And School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 important courses that really matter at this point of time in your life, which include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. So here you get one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grades 2 to 12. One-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core, Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. You can see our international rank holders for the year 2022-23 on the screen, and also for the year 2021-22. These are all kids like you. So classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students, delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor. So you get 3 sessions per week on Mondays, Wednesday, and Friday from 5 p.m. till 6:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So the flow of the session would be 35 minutes of class with 5 minutes of break in between and 35 minutes of class. The sessions would include a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and a discussion on previous year papers. You also get reading materials and questions, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success, for which we'll get a tour very shortly. by Rajan sir. You also get free access to Olympiad Success platforms so that you can practice topic-wise mock tests for both maths and reasoning, as well as logical reasoning. So the syllabus is available at this particular link, and the fee can be paid by clicking on this particular link. Don't worry, all the important and relevant links are available in the chat box. The fees for this particular course is 10,038, and it is going to be a 45-session course. The fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year papers, and access to Olympiad Success platform for mathematics and logical reasoning. All that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed, with headphones for better audio clarity, and camera, because we do not allow students without video in the class. So since you are already aware that preparation for Olympiad exams is slightly tougher than your regular school curriculum, so all you need to do is to spend 2 hours every day to cope up with the curriculum. And of course, parental support is required at the back end. So as you might already be aware that in 2022-23 Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,850 schools across India and abroad. And these students hailed from 35 plus countries. So the live classes for this particular batch begins from Friday, May 19, 2023. That's all for the PPT. Now I would request Rajan sir to give you a tour of the dashboard. All over to you, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you for the wonderful presentation. Let me share my screen. So I hope my screen is visible. So students, this is the website of Olympiad Success. I'm just showing you how you can access the content. So what you need to do, you need to click on my account for login. Okay. So once you enroll with us, we will share the credentials with you. And with that credential, you can log in and you can access the content. Let me log in with my credential for now. So this is the student profile and all the content you will find here in the live classes. Let me show you. So what you need to do, you need to choose a subject, that is Mathematics Olympiad, and then you need to select a topic. Okay. Let me select fractions and multiply. So for each and every topic, you will find reading material, practice question, answer key here. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the reading material we have, okay, for this particular topic, fraction multiples. Similarly, you will get practice questions also. Let me show you how it looks like. So these are the practice questions. Okay, all are like Olympiad based and MCQ questions. Now, other than that, you can check answer key also. And schedule is also available here in the dashboard. You can check like in which session, which topic we are going to cover. Let me show you. Like in session 1, we are going to cover number sense and Roman numeral. In session 2 and session 3, we will go ahead with this particular topic. And in session 4, we having a test. So after each and every chapter, we having a mock test. Okay, we will like share a mock test with you. You need to attempt at home. And then we will discuss the questions in the classes. Okay. Other than that, like Monica mentioned, we are also going to discuss previous year Olympiad papers. So in the schedule, you can see at the end, we have super classes. So in the super classes, what we are going to do, we will discuss all previous year Olympiad questions. Okay. Other than that, students, you can check holiday calendar here, like on which holidays you don't have the classes. Now, like Monica also mentioned, we are providing mock test for reasoning as well as for mathematics. Okay, so topic wise mock test you can access here in the worksheets. So what you need to do, you need to choose a subject first. So in our case, it is mathematics. So these are the topic wise mock test. So topic wise mock test you will find here for mathematics as well as for logical reasoning. Okay. With this course, you will get access for both. You just need to click on take exam to attempt it. Now, when you take the exam, you can check your result here in the performance section whenever you want. What you need to do, you need to select a subject first. Let me choose logical reasoning. Then just click on detailed result view. And here you can click on review to check the answers. Okay, let me show you. Like the correct answer and the answers marked by student that can be like in here. So this is all about the dashboard, students. Now, if anyone have any doubt or query, you can ask us in the chat box. Do anyone have any doubt or query, students?
Please feel free to type in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer. Arham has no doubts.
Okay.
What about those who joined late? Chirant, Vishnu, Farhan.
Ma'am, Farhan has just joined, ma'am, as he's not at home.
Okay, no
So,
problem,
have any
ma'am.
query, ma'am?
Ma'am, Farhan was not at home, so he comes now, so he joined late, ma'am.
Okay.
He just joined, ma'am. Farhan, say good afternoon.
So Pranshi has a question. Logical reasoning will be covered in this.
No, so Pranshi, we are not going to cover logical reasoning. So how it is, logical reasoning classes are not going to happen. But yeah, we are like providing logical reasoning test series to you with this course. So you can access the test and you can attempt that. Okay. In the classes, we will discuss mathematics topics only. And all students, just for today's demo, you're all going to be on mute. Okay. You can type in the chat box. Okay. So any students have any doubt or query other than that?
Any other query, anyone? No?
Okay. No. Okay. Okay, students, let me ask one question then. Can you share the days on which you're having the classes? No? Other also not no? You can type in the chat box. I think Monica ma'am shared in her PPT the days and timing. Do anyone remember? Okay, no problem. Let me share. So the days for the classes will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And yes, sir, I'm correct. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And class timing. Sir, if I miss a class, then what to do? So Pranshi, we will share the class recordings also. Okay. So you can watch the class recording like before the next class so that you can cop up in the next class. This class for Maths Olympiad. Yes, Farhan, correct. This class is for Mathematics Olympiad. Any other doubts, students? Okay, in the meantime, you can share the timing with me, timing for the classes. What are the timings? What are the timings for the classes? The fees type 5 p.m. Okay, and 5 to up to 5 to 6:15. Yes. Is it AM or PM? It is AM or PM. You need to write that also. PM, correct. So class timing is 5 to 6:15 p.m. Farhan is asking which topic are you teaching now? I'm not teaching any topic, Farhan. So Gunjan ma'am is your mentor. Okay, she's going to take a topic. Now, which topic she is going to take? That she will like announce. Okay.
So
Okay, I think we can.
Let's hear from her only which topic she is going to teach. So I
Correct.
believe we can begin.
Yes, ma'am, we can start. So over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Okay, sir. So students, as you were saying that sir was asking you, you have to write AM or PM. So can anyone tell me how you decide that you are going to write PM or AM in this? In chat? Can you tell me according to that which topic we are going to do according to this question? Time. Arham, correct? Yes. So we are going to do time in this class. And have you done this chapter before? Do you know how to look time, how to find the time on the watch? So what is the time by a watch? AM starts from 12 midnight to 12 afternoon. Okay, correct, Rahi? Okay, I know that you people have already done this chapter in your previous classes, but okay, let me ask you some questions based on that. Is it easy? Is it a easy topic or it is tough? It is easy or tough? Easy. Okay. Everyone is saying that it is easy. So that means some concepts are already clear to you how to do that. Okay. So it will be fun doing the questions now. Okay. PM starts from 12 afternoon to 12 midnight. Okay. Now, okay, let me ask you some more questions. Okay. Are you able to see the presentation? Everyone is ready? Okay. So as in this class, you are not allowed to unmute yourself. So it is better that you will be attentive and you have to write your answers on the chat. So if you are using mobile, just it's better that you should use desktop so that you can write it properly. Okay. Now, next, we will start with the time. The topics that we are going to cover is how to convert time, how to add and subtract time, converting 12-hour system to 24-hour system and vice versa, and finding the elapsed time. That means you have to find the duration, that how much time required to complete any activity. Fourth is your word-based problem, in which we will do some conceptual questions based on your time. Okay. So have you done these type of questions in your earlier classes? Yes, you might have. Okay. Next. Okay, can you tell me if we take a quick recap of these formulas, that what is the answer of the first question? 1 minute is equals to what? Just write it on the chat. I just want that you should get a habit of writing and give the answer fast. Okay. Yes, correct. Everyone is sending me, and you have to write A, B, C also. Okay, that which answer you are sending me. For example, if you are sending 60 seconds, write A dot 60 seconds so that I can get that you are sending me correct answer. Okay, 60 seconds is correct. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Now B part, 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? Very good. Everyone is correct. Now change your settings of chatting, that you have to send it to me only, not to everyone. You people are sending your answers to everyone. You have to send it to me only. Okay. That means to Gunjan Jain, you have to change the setting. Okay. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. That is also correct. Okay. Now 1 day is equals to how many hours? C. Okay. 24 hours. That is correct. Now, can you tell me what are the different other terms? For example, seconds, minutes, hour, in which you count time. That means the biggest one is your hour. Now, after hours, what is the term that you use to define your time? Minute, hour, and seconds. After that, what are the things by which we can measure time? Nafi is correct. Day, but send your answer to me only, not to everyone. Milliseconds. Okay, I'm asking you after hours. That means bigger than your hours. Day, correct. Not mm. Mm is a day. Okay. After that day, what are the other things? Day, months, year. Very good, Farhan. Day, months, year, weeks. Very good, Chitran. Chirant. Okay. Pranshi, week, month, year. Okay. After year, what are the how you measure time after year? Century, correct. Decades, correct. Leap year, okay. Okay, great. That means you know what are the different terms in which we measure the time. Can you tell me how many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? Correct. 7 is the correct answer. Okay. How many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? 12, no, 350, 365 is not correct. 12 is correct answer. Pranshi, no. I'm asking how many months? January, Feb, March. How many months are there? 12. Okay, correct. How many days are there in a year? How many days? What happened, Arham? 365. Okay, correct. 365 and 366. Okay, when we say it is 366, when we say it is 366, yes, it is a leap year. And in how many years it comes back? In how many days leap year come? In how many years, sorry, in how many years it comes? Yes, 4 years, correct. What is a century? What is a century? 100, correct. What 100? 100 years, correct. 100 years is the correct answer. 100 years make 1 century. What is a decade? What is a decade? Correct. Decade is a group of 10 years. Okay. Okay. So that means, how can I send you chat? Arham, okay, you are sending me chat. That is correct, but everyone can see it. You have to just see where 2 is written. So on that, you have to click my name. It is going for everyone. Okay. Next is how to add time. Okay. Add time means 2 different times are given in hours, minutes, and seconds. You have to just add it. For example, if I say I took 2 hours to prepare something and 3 hours to finish some. Okay, 2 hours to eat one dish and 3 hours to prepare that dish. So what is the total time? That means 2 plus 3 is 5. Now your timing is given in hours, minutes, and seconds. Now you have to add. Can you tell me what will be the answer of this one? That means 3 hours, 20 minutes, 30 seconds plus 1 hour, 30 minutes and 55 seconds. How will you add these 2 timings? First try it by yourself and then I will tell you on the board how to do this. So first thing is you have to start with the second. Okay. Okay, I'm getting different answers. Getting from Farhan. Check your answer. Farhan, check your answer. Pranshi. Okay. Yes. Other students, please start from the seconds, add seconds, then minutes, then hours. You have to add column wise. Okay. Just see on the board how to do it. Now see, this is your question. Are you able to see on the board? Let me pin. Okay. Can you see here on the board how to do this question? The question is given, you have to add 3 hours, 20 minutes, 30 seconds and 1 hour, 30 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay, now what we will do, we will start with the seconds. Okay, we will start from seconds and we will add what is 30 plus 55. Can you tell me what is 30 plus 55? Okay, 85. That is correct. Now this is 85 seconds. Can your answer be greater than 60? Because you already said that in 1 minute there are only 60 seconds. So can we have 85 seconds? No. So whenever your answer is coming greater than 60, then you will write 60 plus how much it is? 60 plus what is 85? 60 plus what is 85? Yes, 25. So we can write 85 as 60 seconds plus 25 seconds. Now, what is 60 seconds? 60 seconds is equals to how many minutes? 60 seconds is equals to how many minutes? Just right now you have given the answer 1 minute. So we can write 1 minute 25 seconds for this. So what we will do, we will put 25 seconds here only and this 1 minute will go in the minutes column. Okay, so this will be a carry over. 1 is coming from the second side. So it is a carryover. So 1 plus 20 plus 30. How many minutes are there now? 1 plus 20 plus 30. How many total minutes? Just add all of it. What will be the answer? 51. Correct. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 1 is 51 minutes. So this is less than 60, so no problem here. Now R is added. 3 plus 1. What will be the answer? How many hours? How many hours? 4 hours. Correct. So your answer for this question is 4 hours, 51 minutes, and in place of 85, we will write 25 seconds. Is it clear to you? Any doubt? Now, should I ask you one more question based on this? This is how we add time. Whenever your answer comes greater than 60, then you have to convert it as 60 plus 1. Okay? Now try this. Hour, minutes, and seconds. So this is 4 hours, 30 minutes, 25 seconds. Here we have 40 seconds and 35 and 1. Please add and give me the answer. Whenever you're okay. Rani, you are not able to understand for seconds. Okay, I will clear it again. No problem. Now give me the answer. What is, if we will always start with seconds. So if you add 25 and 40, what will be your answer, Rahi? 40 plus 25 is what? No, 60 is not correct. Aram, 40 plus 25. 40 plus 25. What is 40 plus 25? 65. Umang, 65 or 75? 25 plus 40 is 65. Umang, not 55. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now 65. Whenever your answer is coming greater than 60, now here it is coming greater than 60. So we will write what? 60 plus 5. We have to convert it into minutes and seconds. Okay, because your answer cannot be greater than 60. So we will write 60 plus 5. That means 60 seconds and 5 seconds. So we will convert this 60 seconds. We will write the 60 seconds as 1 minute and 5 seconds. Okay, so my answer for 25 and 40 becomes here 5 seconds only, and my 1 minute will go as a carryover here because it is a minute, so it should be here. Now you have to add 1 plus 30 plus 55. What will be your answer? 1 plus 30 plus 55. Okay, Pranshi, what is 1 plus 30 plus 55? Rahi, I'm asking 1 plus 30 plus 55. After addition, how we will write it? Yes, correct. Those who have sent me 86, that is correct. Now 86, it is again greater than 60. So how will you write 86 as 60 plus something? How will you write it? 86. This is 86 minutes. This is 55 seconds. So 86 minutes, how can we write 60 plus what? Correct, Pranshi. This we can write as 60 plus 26. That means 60 minutes and 26 minutes. Now, what is 60 minutes? 60 minutes is equal to how many hours? 60 minutes is equal to how many hours? 1 hour, correct. So 1 hour, 26 minutes. So we will write only 26 minutes because it is less than 60. 26 minutes is here. And we will take this 1 hour as a carry over in this hour column. So 1 will go here. Now what is 1 plus 4 plus 1? 1 plus 4 plus 1? 6, correct. So this is 6 hours. It is less than 60, so no problem. So answer is 6 hours, 26 minutes and 5 seconds. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt up to here? Should I give you one last question based on this and you will give me the correct answer if you know how to do it? Now, any doubt you can ask me. Okay, give the answer for this one. 5 hours, 40 minutes and 30 seconds is added with 4 hours, 26 minutes and 16 seconds. What will be the answer? You should have pen paper with you. And give me the final answer. And it should be given to me only, not to everyone. Correct, Pranshi. Very good. Chirant, correct. Very good. I want answer from everyone. 2 students have given me answer. Yes. Who else is going to give me correct answer? Please tell me. Okay, Farhan, correct. Very good. Rahi, correct. I think now you understood how to do it. Okay. 4 students have given me answer. I want from 8 students. Total 8 students are there. Umang, what will be the answer? Om, Nafis. Are you giving me answer or you are having still doubt? See, in class also you have to respond me every time. Okay. Yes, Umang, Om, Nafis, Arham. Arham, did you get the answer? Okay. Now, I'm telling you how to do it. Okay. Now, first we will start with this seconds. So this is 30 plus 16. 30 plus 16 when added, 0 plus 6 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is less than 60. So we don't have to do anything for this. This is 46 seconds. Now we will add minute. Now 40 plus 26 is 66. So 66 is greater than your 60. So we will convert it as 60 plus 6. So this is 60 minutes and 6 minutes. So we will write here 6 minutes only for this 6 minutes. And this 60 minutes will become 1 hour. So this is 1 hour 6 minutes. So we will bring this 1 hour here as a carryover. For this, I will write 46 seconds. 1 plus 5 plus 4, that is equal to 10. So 10 hours, 6 minutes and 46 seconds is the correct answer. Now, any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Now, we will begin with the slide again. Okay. Now, next. Now you have understood how to add. Now, similarly, we will subtract time. That means, suppose if I say that my job started for the total timing is 3 hours, 20 minutes and 30 seconds, in which I am doing some activity for 1 hour, 30 minutes and 55 seconds. So what is the left time? Okay. So this type of question will be asked in subtraction. So how will we do it? So what we will do again, we will start with the seconds and you have to subtract like you do in your normal subtraction and we will begin. Now let me write this question on the blackboard just to tell you how to subtract and then I will give you answer. Now, in place, since we are doing subtraction, so there will be borrow, not addition. Okay. When we borrow, can you tell me when we borrow something? Okay, just see on the blackboard. Now see what we have to do. Suppose in spite of this question, if I give you the question like 3 hours, 20 minutes, 30 seconds, 1 hour, 15 minutes and 15 seconds. Suppose the question is this. You have to subtract time. Okay. Now what we will do, first we will begin with seconds, then minutes and then hours. Okay. Now 30 minus 15 is how much? Can you tell me what is 30 minus 15? 30 minus 15 is, just start with seconds. Yes, 15, correct. So here 30 minus 15 is 15. That is correct. Now what is 20 minus 15? 20 minus 15 is correct, 5. So this is 5 minutes. Now what is 3 minus 1? Yes, correct. 2 is the correct answer. So we get the answer as 2 hours, 5 minutes and 15 seconds. This is easy. That means when your top value is greater than your bottom value, then we don't have any problem. We will subtract like this. But what if your top value is less than your bottom value? You cannot subtract a smaller value. You cannot subtract a bigger value from a smaller value, right? So what we will do, we will take borrow. So what we will borrow from this is 30 seconds, this is 20 minutes, and this is hour. Now, this second 30 seconds is saying that I am less than 55. I cannot subtract, so I should be bigger. So how it will be bigger? It is asking, a minute has given 1 minute to it. So if it has given 1 minute, so how many minutes are left here? In place of 20, it will be 19. Okay. And if it has given minutes, 1 minute here, so that means how many seconds it has given? 60 seconds it has given. Okay, so total minutes are, this has become what? 30 plus 60, that is equals to 90. Now it has become a bigger number. Now I can subtract 90 minus 55. So what is the answer? 90 minus 55? 90 minus 55 is what? Okay, Rahi, correct? Other students, please give the answer. Rahi, you have to check your answer again. It will be 35 or 45. Please check your answer, students. It will be 35, not 45. 90 minus 55 is Arham. Can you repeat question? Question is you have to subtract 3 hours, 20 minutes, 30 seconds minus 1 hour, 30 minutes and 55 seconds. So answer is 35. 90 minus 55 is 35. Okay, clear? Now, this is 19, this is 30. Now, again, 19 is saying that I am less than the bottom value. So I should be bigger. So how it will become bigger? When it will ask 1 hour from it. So it has borrowed 1 hour from it. So when 1 hour goes this side, so 3 will become 2. Right? And this becomes what? 1 hour means how many minutes it has borrowed? 60 minutes. So this has become 19 plus 60. That is equal to how much? 19 plus 60 is what? 79. Now, can you subtract 79 in place of 99, having 79 now? 79 minus 30 is how much? 79 minus 30 is how much? 49, correct. So this is answer here. Answer is 49. Now 2 minus 1, no problem. It is already big. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, clear? Now let me tell you one more question. so that it will be clear to you. Let's erase and understand it again, then try to do it. Okay. First is your hour, then minutes, and then seconds. Your answer is 20. You have to subtract 40 from it. This is 35, 45, and this is 5 and 2. Now try to subtract. First start with seconds. This is top value is less than your bottom value. So you will take a borrow from this part. So you have taken a borrow from this. So that means how much you have taken? What will be the new value after taking borrow? Okay, someone is giving me answer. So when 1 minute is handed here, so this becomes 34. 1 minute goes here. That means I'm not dealing with minute. I will deal with seconds only. So 1 minute means he has passed 60 seconds. 60 plus 20 will be how much? 60 plus 20. This new value will become 60 plus 20. That is equal to 80. Now 80 seconds minus 40 seconds. 80 minus 40 is how much? 80 minus 40 is how much? 80 minus 40 is 40 seconds. Now this value is 34 and this is 45. Again, this is less. Let me write the new value here. Okay. Now the new value is 34. Again, 34 is less than 45. So what we need to do? We need to take borrow again. What it will give? It will give 1 hour only. So 1 hour means how many minutes? Is equals to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes are there. Now 34 plus 60. This has become new. 34 plus 60. That is equal to what? 34 plus 60 is how much? 34 plus 60 is how much? 94. Correct. So now 94 is the new value. 94 minus 45 is 94 minus 45. 49. 94 minus 45 is 49 minutes. Now, it has given already 1 hour, so it has become 5 minus 1 is 4. Now, 4 minus 2 is 2 hours. So, the answer is 2 hours, 49 minutes and 40 seconds. Is it clear now? Not clear? How many of you are not clear with the subtraction? Maybe you will take time. Is it clear, students? Just send me this, or I am clear, or you are good to go, or we can move on to the next question. No one is having doubt? So should I give you one question? Okay, this question is for you. Please give the final answer. 4 hours, 27 minutes and 18 seconds is subtracted from now. Give me the answer for this one. Please try to do it, Arham. Try to complete it. What will be the answer? And switch on your cameras, Nafis, Om. In classes, you people will not be allowed if your video is not on. Umang Adhikari, you have to on. Shiran, Maurya, just switch on your cameras. Okay. Yes, correct, Farhan. Yes, Farhan has given me answer. It is correct. Let's see. Other students are going to give me correct answer or not. Be fast. In classes, you have to be very fast. Now, before telling, let me start with the countdown. 10, 9, Rahi, not correct. 8, 7, 6, no Pranshi, not correct. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Okay. So we will begin with seconds. So this is already less. So what we will do? We will take the borrow from the minute. So if it is giving 1 minute here, so that means it has given how many seconds? 60 seconds. Now new value becomes 18 plus 60. This 27 has become 26. 18 plus 60 is 78. Now 78 minus 20 is 58. Okay, correct, Rahi? 58. So 58 seconds is the correct answer for the second column. Okay. Now 26 minus 35, again we cannot subtract. So again I need to take borrow. So it has given 1 hour here. 1 hour means how many minutes? It has given 60 minutes. So this has become 3 and this new value becomes 26 becomes 26 plus 60, that is equal to 86. Now 86 minus 35 is how much? 86 minus 35. So what is the new value? 86 minus 35? 6 minus 5, 9, 7 minus 3 is 4. So 49 minutes here. So it will be 49 minutes. Now 3 minus 1, no problem, that is equal to 2. So 2 hours, 49 minutes and 58 seconds. Is it clear now? Sharam, do you have any doubt? Okay. Umang? Okay. Om? Okay. So I think this addition and subtraction is clear. Now we will move to the next topic. Okay, this is known your AM and PM. That means how you divide your day in AM and PM. As you already told me that your AM begins with midnight 12 to noon midday, right? And from PM we have 12 PM. That means from the noon to the midnight again. Okay. But when it is at midnight, what is the hour? How we write it? 12 AM. Okay. Okay. So AM means anti-meridian, that means before midday. PM is post-meridian, that is after midday. That I think you know every time that what is the AM and PM. Now you have seen two types of clocks in your house or whenever you see it. One is your analog clock and one is your digital clock. Have you seen analog clock anytime? Is Pranshi? Analog clock? Yes, analog digital. Where you see this digital clock? Where you see the digital clock in real life? Where you see this 15, 16, 17? Where you are able to see? On watches, okay, Umang. And apart from that, phones, okay. Train stations, correct. On alarm, correct. Yes, train stations, railway stations, airport. Sometimes you see the timings as after 12, you get 16, 17, 18, up to what? Up to what? After 12, 13, 14, up to what we see? 24, 23, 24. Have you ever seen 24.00? Have you ever seen 24.00? After 23.59, it becomes 00 only. Okay, it does not become 24, it becomes 00 again. So we don't have 24, we have up to 00. And when we are dealing with this these two different systems are known as 12-hour system. In 12-hour system, the same time is repeated twice. Suppose I say it is 6. So 6 in the morning and 6 in the evening. So that's why we say 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. so that we can differentiate it is for morning or it is for evening. But when we are dealing with 24-hour system, then we do not use AM and PM. Okay, is it clear? We do not use AM and PM in 24-hour system. We just say it is 6 hour or 18 hour or 19 hour. Okay. Now, how to convert? Up to 12 in both the system, it is equal. After that, 13 means 1 p.m., 14 means 2 p.m., 15 means 3 p.m., and so on. That's why up to 23, it is 11 p.m., but 24 is not 24, it will become 00. Okay. Now, next, can you convert this 24-hour system into 12-hour system? If it is given 23 hours, 20 minutes, 30 seconds, what does that mean? 23 hours means what? 23 is given. That means what? 23 is what? 11. Okay. Now, without seeing the slide, just tell me if it is given 17, then what does that mean? 17 hours. 17 hours. It is 17 hours right now. What does that mean? 5 p.m. Correct. If it is given 13 hours, what does that mean? 1 p.m. Very good. You have to write 1 a.m. or p.m. Okay. Whenever you are saying in 12-hour format, then a.m. and p.m. will be required. Okay. If I say 2 p.m., how will you write it in 24-hour format? 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. This is 12 hours and you have to write it in 24 hours. Yes, those who have given me 14, that is correct, 1400, but you do not have to write AM and PM here, or you can say 14 hours. Okay, 14 hours is the correct answer. Okay, now if I ask you 7 p.m., how will you write it? 7 p.m. 7 p.m. in 24-hour format. $19 hours, correct. 19 hours, correct. Now, if I give you 8 p.m., 23 seconds, 23 minutes, sorry, 8 p.m., 8:23 p.m. How will you write it in 24-hour format? 8:23 p.m. How will you write in 24-hour format? Correct. 2023, correct. 2023 hours, correct. Correct. Now tell me 5:20 a.m. How will you write it? 5:20 a.m. Sirans, correct. 5:20 a.m. How will you write it? Umang, not correct. Farhan, correct. Yes, what happened, other students? Pranshi, Arham, Rahi, correct. In 24 hour, we do not write AM, PM. Pranshi, this is 20, not 23. So see, this is AM. So in AM, we do not need to change anything. We will change after 12 for PM only. So this is 5:20 only, 5:20 hours. Okay. In case of PM only, you have to change, not for AM. Okay. Next. So if it is hours 23, 20, 30, that means you have to change only hour timings. Minutes and seconds will remain as it is. So 23, 20, 30 in 12-hour format, we will say 11 hours, 20 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. And PM. Clear? Now, please convert this. You have to find the duration, how much time is consumed from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Give me the answer. What is the duration? Duration means how much total time it has taken. From 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. What is the total time? That means 1 hour. Duration is 1 hour. You have to subtract second number from the first. 10:30 minus 9:30, that is 1 hour. Correct? Okay. Yes. This is correct. 1 hour, those who are sending me. Now send me the answer for the second. 8:40 p.m. to 10:27 p.m. First one is your start time. Second is your finish time. So when you are calculating duration, then it is finish time minus start time. Finish minus start. Okay. So you have to subtract 10:27 minus 8:40. So the way we have done 10:27 minus 8:40. If the upper value or top value is less, then you have to take borrow. You have to take borrow. This 27 is less, so we will take borrow from it. So this 10 will become 9 and 27 will become 27 plus 60. That is the new value become how much? 87. Now 87 minus 40 is, this new value has become 87. So 87
Hello. Hi students. So actually there is some network error at mem end. Okay. So we are just ending the demo for today. So thank you for joining. And how was the session? You can write in the chat box. Do you like it? Okay. Okay. So hope to see you in the live classes. Okay. So now Gunjan ma'am will meet you in the live classes. Thank you. Thank you for joining today. Bye students. Bye everyone.